Biotin is a B vitamin that is also known as vitamin B7 and vitamin H. Its primary functions in the body are to aid in the metabolism of fats, carbohydrates, and proteins, as well as to promote cell growth and the utilization of the other B vitamins. Biotin has also been shown to be effective in lowering and controlling blood sugar levels in people with insulin dependent or non insulin dependent diabetes. Soy, whole grains, egg yolks, almonds, walnuts, oatmeal, mushrooms, broccoli, bananas, peanuts, liver, kidney, milk, legumes, sunflower seeds, and nutritional yeast. These are the best natural food resources for getting your biotin. Depression, hair loss, high blood sugar, anemia, loss of appetite, insomnia, muscle cramps, nausea, and a sore tongue are all symptoms of biotin deficiency. Furthermore, low biotin levels have been linked to infantile seborrheic dermatitis. By the way, biotin's role in causing this condition in adults has not been established. Biotin deficiency is very uncommon because the intestines can produce this vitamin from other foods. Long-term antibiotic use, on the other hand, can impair biotin production and result in deficiency symptoms. People who regularly consume raw egg whites, which contain a protein called avidin, which prevents biotin absorption into the blood, also show signs of deficiency. Biotin is mainly used in the treatment of diabetes because biotin treatment lowers postprandial glucose levels and improves tolerance to glucose and insulin resistance. The RDA for adults is 100 to 200 micrograms with a therapeutic dose of 200 micrograms. You can purchase a multivitamin mineral supplement or a biotin containing B complex formula. But most people do not need to take a separate biotin supplement unless they have diabetes, in which case it is recommended that you do so under the supervision of a doctor. Biotin is a non-toxic water-soluble vitamin that if consumed in excess is excreted in the urine without causing any harm. If diabetics take more than 4 milligrams of biotin per day, their insulin dosage may need to be reduced. Anyway, diabetics should be under the medical supervision all the time. Biotin functions in alongside with the other B vitamins. Antibiotics, saccharin, and sulfur drugs are examples of substances that can interfere with biotin bioavailability. Anyway, your body produces enough biotin on its own through your daily food consumption. As a result, unless directed otherwise by your doctor, you should avoid taking biotin supplements. Some people may require biotin supplements on a regular basis due to rare health conditions. Such scenarios can be determined by a doctor. Thank you for watching. I'll see you.